Hey, what's up, y'all? So we just got to Hamlin University, and me and Christian here, we spent about a good hour and a half, 2 hours just trying to find a few shirts and stuff and whatnot. But we made it here at Hamlin. We're gonna go inside and do some sound check. So hopefully it's a good turnout, and hopefully I see you guys tonight. We got to Hamlin, and yeah, this is it right here. We're gonna sound check soon, so hopefully that goes well. Just waiting for Christina to show up. I rehearsed with her. So Lolly and Christina just got here, and we're all excited. Are you excited to perform, Christina?
No, I'm not really.
So we just got done with sound check, and I think it sounds okay. Everybody's prepping up. Everybody's just getting here for sound check. So should be a fun show. If you guys are not coming tonight, you guys are missing out for sure. We have Free Soul over there, their dance group from Harding High School. So we have Christina warming up right now. We just did a warm up with Tusu also, but he had to go back upstairs. Yeah. My voice is really bad right now, but we should be set. Another hour. That's the B-boy going on. So we're over here backstage. Full house tonight. Full house tonight, chilling with Cecily, Christina, Johnny.
We're gonna do those raffles. So wait, and then me and my brother,
yeah,
we are getting together to this for this benefit. So we're gonna perform with it. So back to the more and go.
Before I forget, he has a YouTube channel, so y'all can check him out on YouTube. So yeah,
it's just simply Pong Vang Music at YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, right? Backslash
YouTube.com/Pong Vang Music. All right, check him out.
Up next we have B-boys. Y'all gotta get ready.
You guys are on deck. Let's just say that. You guys are on deck.
All the hope that I found in you must be lost in a few words or two, broken by all the lies that you told. You left me here out in the cold. And love will find its way. I'm back home, but it's nothing like you show. It's so divine, passionate and true. 'Cause love is love, but it's nothing like you. 'Cause in the end, I was the one to lose. Lost everything and all that we've gone through. Surrounded by memories of you and me. But you never cared, or that's the way it seemed. 'Cause love will find its way. I'm back home, but it's nothing like you showed. It's so divine, passionate and true. Love is love,
out. Give us your YouTube or whatever, man. Where we can look you up?
Look that up. I don't even go MySpace no more.
Oh, bro.
Maybe Facebook.
Michael Yang.
Facebook.com, Mike Page.
Yeah, Mighty Mike.
Yeah, chilling with Mighty
We
Mike.
have DER in the house. That's my boy David.
What's up, everybody? So we're back home now. Me and Christian, he's sleeping over. Tomorrow we're going out to a church together. And I apologize. I missed a lot of clips because my camera kind of shut off on me. So I've never had that happen to me before. But I missed a lot of just film that I could have taken. So just a little bummed out about that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed what I got. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't. And see you guys next time.